thank you to Julie, one of our subscribers, who bought these earrings that I made. I recycled a necklace and made these. And you can find the video on our YouTube channel, Avante Jewelry. As you see here, Avante Jewelry, upcycled dangle earrings, textured silver tone. And these are brand new silver-plated ear wires and jump rings, and these are the components from the necklace. They sold for $6.95 plus ship. For Julie's earrings, I just made a little bag and put our label on it. I'll back these with a little bit of cardboard to make sure nothing bends, and then wrap it in some small bubble wrap. eBay padded envelope. Put these to one side and an ear pillow to the other side. That way we have a nice spot area for the shipping label. Thank you, Julie. We had a sale for a pair of earrings that I made. I found a necklace at the AMVET store and took it apart and made several pair of these contemporary earrings. I'm not sure if they sold to a subscriber or not, but if so, thank you, Jody, for your purchase. They sold for $10. We sold a sweater top that we've had listed forever. I've had it priced low, I've had it priced high, and for the latest pricing, I had them at $24.95 with make offer. It shows you here that I started out one time at $14.95. Madison sweater top, size medium, ombre in the different shades of green. And it sold on offer for $18 plus ship. Christmas pins are still selling. This pretty little sleigh has a lot of rhinestones in it. Not sure what I paid for it, but typically anywhere from 50 cents to $1. And it sold on sale for $7.50 plus ship. Paid only 50 cents for these Chelsea pewter earrings. Really cute little horses. Bought them at a church rummage sale. And they sold for full asking price of $24.95 plus ship. This is a great example of a small item that had great profit. Did I wait a little bit to sell it? Sure I did. Listed them in 22, but that's okay. They didn't take up much room. Tiny earrings, a little bit of cardboard to protect the back so it can't bend. Some small bubble wrap. Folding the extra bubble wrap to the front where the earrings are. Cardboard's in the back. Small padded envelope. One air pillow to the side, allowing enough room for the shipping label. Sold a hat, a Lennox hat, Lennox air conditioning and heating embroidered hat. It's in brand new condition. Found it at a church sale, paid $1. Sold it on offer for $20 plus ship. And I'll just put it in a box. Looking for a pair of clip earrings. And I see I have them in the attic bag. Even though they sold in Avante-Avenue, they're in this bag of jewelry. Apparently moved them from attic quite some time ago to Avenue. They're made by Trifari. They are clip earrings. Not sure what we paid for them, but typically I only have, at 25, 50 cents or so into my earrings, and they sold on offer for $10 plus ship. Keep some foam around, some craft foam. This piece looks large enough. I hope they like the color orange. I hope I said these are navy. I did, they're navy. Got a little concerned there for a second. I'm just clipping them to the foam. Clip to the foam. And then I roll it, fold it over and roll it just until they're completely covered on all sides. Add some tape. 3 pieces of tape, 1 piece on each end, 1 piece in the middle. So tape, tape, tape. It will no longer fit in this bag, but that's okay. I have this roll of print file archival preserves plastic. It's open on both ends. I'm just going to cut this to length. Can't do it while I'm holding the camera. This is what it looks like. It's open on both ends. I'm going to go ahead and tape it on one end. When I saw this film, I thought, you know what, I might be able to do something with that. And so lately I've been using it for jewelry, making my own little bags. Tape the other end. Add a thank you label. And then using a half sheet of bubble wrap, I'll wrap this up. Well, I didn't have my camera running. I thought I did. I put it in an eBay padded envelope with one air pillow. So now it's thick enough to qualify for tracking and has enough room for the shipping label. Sold a top, Bobby Brooks, so it's not a fancy name brand. And at one point I put the price at $14.95. Then I raised the price and it ended up selling on sale for $17.46 plus ship. So sometimes it's worth raising your prices and putting it on sale or allowing for make offer. Mark handmade these earrings, copper wire with little red crystals. Not sure if it sold to a subscriber or not. They sold on offer for $12 plus ship. Thank you to one of our subscribers, Lisa, who purchased 2 of my handcrafted pieces of jewelry. This heart pendant that I made for Valentine's, and this bracelet with a toggle clasp that I made from a vintage pink necklace. I took it apart and made some bracelets and earrings. So thank you, Lisa. Both pieces came to, the pendant was $11, the bracelet $12, came to $23. I do have free ship on my handcrafted jewelry. So thank you very much. Truly appreciate it. I love luxurious leather case for your iPod in pink. Who doesn't love pink, right? Bought this at the AmVet store for $1.98 and it sold for $19.95 plus ship. This is probably the fastest sale I've ever made. Meaning, I didn't just make it. I made the sale within minutes of putting it up in a YouTube video. I took apart a couple of Easter bracelets and made this necklace with a little chick pendant and a pair of chick earrings. Aren't they cute as can be? I released the video and within 5 minutes or less, someone commented, I've got to have this. And then soon after, a Ching came in on eBay. So Easter chick set 20-inch beaded necklace made by me with Avante jewelry. And it's sold for $24. I do have free shipping on my handmade jewelry. Sold for $24. And I was pretty excited about that. So I'll leave a link at the end of this video if you'd like to check out our channel for Avante jewelry. A men's t-shirt sold. It actually has class of 2000 on it. Should have sold for more, right? It's vintage, but it sold on offer for $8 plus ship. I sold some jewelry that I made. Some Valentine jewelry, at least that's what I called it. I'll show it to you here in just a minute. Need to make sure I get the right one. Oh, it's a 16mm pendant, so it's good that I wrote on these. That's very important. And a pair of heart dangle earrings. I honestly don't know if these sold to someone who saw my video or they just saw them on eBay. The pink beads, the triangular beads, I took these off of a vintage necklace. And this is also from a vintage necklace. And I added the heart and the bail, the necklace bail, and all the findings in brand new silver plated ear wires. Excited to sell some of our jewelry where I've been making jewelry, working with a lot of vintage beads. The pendant sold for $11. The earrings sold for $12. I do have free ship on my jewelry, so $25.01 is what the buyer paid for these 2 pieces of my handmade jewelry, Avante jewelry. I'm going to use a small piece of cardboard. That's some thick cardboard. I often use cardboard for a backer for fragile items. I feel like this needs a little more protection today though. Let's do another piece of bubble wrap. Because that pendant feels so large in there, the bead, the glass bead. Not sure if it will fit in this padded envelope. We'll find out. I think it will. Air pillow in the bottom and one air pillow at the end. So it's nice and cushy. It won't fit in a mailbox probably, but it will be protected. Kind of assume it just sold because of just being on eBay, not because I saw the video. But if you are watching this video and you did purchase this, thank you very much, Don, for your purchase. Okay, it's good. So I'll put these back in their bags. This vintage women's top, brand is Miss Tina by Tina Knowles, animal print top. It's a size XXL, 2X. I've had the price at $8.95. I've had the price at $11.95. I raised the price to $19.95, had a 50% sale going on, and it sold for $9.98 plus ship. A tiny little shell pendant, Sarah Coventry, number 8182. I'll take that number off there, that's my inventory number. I paid 25 cents for it at a church rummage sale, and it sold for full asking price of $14.95 plus ship. For shipping, I'll just back it with a little bit of cardboard, use some small bubble wrap, and put it in a padded envelope. Another simple brand, Bobby Brooks, something you can find at the Dollar General. It's a 2XL purple striped top. Typically have only $1 into my clothing, and it sold on offer for $19 plus ship. I'm Vicki, and Mark and I will see you soon.